So hello, today I am going to show you my S.St project. So let's get started. So that is my house, and that we walk on straight, we reach a palace that names Full Mahal Palace. And that we walk on again straight, we reach a statue that names Bhimrao Ambedkar statue. It's a statue of Bhimrao Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar so reach a garden that names Subhas Garden, and that is a Subhas Garden, and that we walk on left side, we reach a road that names Manjla Road, and that we reach a school that names Cadus Play School, and then we reach so farly a mall that names Lance Mall. It is also called a superstore, and then we reach again farly a college that names Shri Ratanlal Kawarlal Girls Patni College. And then we reach a road that names Ajmer Road. And last and final, we reach a school that names Emmanuel Public School. That school has nursery to 10th. It's a Emmanuel Public School. So that's my project. Hope you understand my project. So my name is Ritu Maheshwari and so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Okay, bye.